Imagine unlocking the secret to sharper memory, reduced anxiety, and better eye health, all with one ancient plant. Welcome to the world of Ginkgo Biloba. Ginkgo Biloba, a powerhouse of antioxidants, is your go-to for boosting brain function and enhancing blood circulation. But how exactly do you use it? Available in capsules, tablets, liquid extracts, and dried leaves for tea, Ginkgo fits seamlessly into your daily routine. For cognitive enhancement, adults typically use 120 to 240 milligrams a day, split into multiple doses. Consistency is key for noticeable improvements. Thinking of brewing some tea? Simply steep dried ginkgo leaves in hot water. It's a soothing ritual with potential brain-boosting benefits. Struggling with stress or anxiety? Ginkgo might offer relief. Its antioxidant properties could help calm those nerves. But be cautious. Ginkgo can interact with certain medications like blood thinners and antidepressants, possibly causing side effects. Pregnant or breastfeeding? It's best to avoid ginkgo. Safety first when it comes to herbal supplements. Ginkgo's magic doesn't stop there. It may improve vision and protect eye health, potentially helping those with glaucoma. If you're battling PMS symptoms, ginkgo might be a natural ally, offering relief from both physical and emotional discomfort. Asthma and COPD sufferers, take note, ginkgo's anti-inflammatory properties might improve your breathing and increase lung capacity. For those facing sexual dysfunction, ginkgo could enhance blood flow and support better intimacy, though more research is needed. So remember, ginkgo isn't a cure-all. It's a supplement that complements a balanced lifestyle and should be taken with professional guidance. Curious about its historical uses? Ancient Chinese healers used ginkgo for cognitive benefits and even as a remedy for asthma. While modern science explores ginkgo's full potential, its role in promoting heart health and reducing inflammation is promising. Before you jump in, consult with a healthcare provider to ensure ginkgo is right for you, especially if you're on other medications. Ready to give your health a natural boost? Consider Ginkgo Biloba, the ancient tree with modern-day benefits. Your journey with ginkgo starts now. Take the leap and embrace the potential of this living fossil. Remember, the right dosage and form of ginkgo are crucial. Start small and stay consistent for the best results. Discover ginkgo's benefits today and unlock a healthier you. Consult your doctor and let this ancient plant guide your wellness journey.